Alex here with an events video in the matter of the Honorable Melanie Andress-Tobiasson. The Commission on Judicial Discipline has filed a formal notice of intent to suspend the Las Vegas Justice of the Peace and one of her colleagues, Justice of the Peace Amy Chelini. Interest in this case stems from an I-Team interview addressing Ms. Andress-Tobiasson's criticism of the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department's investigation of an alleged prostitution ring involving her daughter.
The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy has an exclusive interview with Judge Melanie Tobiasson.
Well, behind the scenes, there was a decision to make for the judge. Does she share her story, which may seem more like a movie, or does she keep it out of the public eye? Well, she chose to break her silence.
I didn't care. I would lose my job over this. I would lose my freedom over this. I would lose my life over this.
As a mother, Judge Melanie Andress-Tobiasson put her job on the line to save her daughter from sex trafficking. She says in 2015, her teenage daughter started working at a now closed store in Chinatown.
The Commission accuses Ms. Andress-Tobiasson of improperly using her position as a judge to discuss the investigation into the ring with vice detectives who appeared before her to obtain search warrants, and telling them that she wanted the storefront to be shut down, insinuating further that she did not want to file a complaint with the department. The Commission further asserts that she would not have had this type of access to vice detectives without her judicial position. Print media picked up the story, some of which report that, days after the interview, Sheriff Joe Lombardo and District Attorney Steve Wolfson met with Justice of the Peace Joe Bonaventure and asked him to prohibit Ms. Andress-Tobiasson from presiding over any further criminal cases. The Commission now seeks to impose an interim suspension, asserting that both Ms. Andress-Tobiasson and Ms. Chelini pose a substantial threat of harm to the public. Because the Commission can seek a temporary suspension prior to the filing of a formal statement of charges, we have no details on the allegations leveled against Ms. Chelini at this time. We submitted a media request, and the Commission has granted that request, allowing us to provide electronic coverage of these proceedings on December 16, 2019 at 8 a.m. The Commission on Judicial Discipline is represented by prosecuting officers Thomas Bradley and Brian Hutchings. Ms. Andress-Tobiasson is represented by William Terry. Ms. Chelini is represented by Thomas Pitaro. You can keep up to date on our media coverage by visiting www.ournevadajudges.com, and as with our previous videos, feel free to post any questions you have down in the comments below or send us an email at admin@ournevadajudges.com.
Counsel, your appearances for the record.
The court has a few comments before we begin.
We are on the record in the matter, case D-505.
You guys either agree or I order.
I don't hear anyone saying she can't order a change of custody if she follows the right procedure.
There must be an evaluation of the best interest.
You're going to convince me to hold your client in contempt.
Raise your right hand. Face the court clerk to be sworn.